वनानि दहतो आग्नेय सखा भवति मारुतः स एव दीपनाशाय कृशे कस्यास्ति सौहृदम्. Says the shloka. Vanani dahato agneya. Fire burns the forest. Sakha bhavati marutah. Wind becomes its friend because it helps to spread the fire. Saeva deepanashaya. The same wind blows off the flame of a small lamp. Krishe kasyasti sauhridam. Who wants to be the friend of a weak person? When the fire is burning the forest, the fire is big and the wind becomes its friend, spreads it very fast. The same wind will blow off the flame of a small lamp because this fire is very small. Who wants to be the friend of a weak person? Krishe kasyasti sauhridam. This is the way of the world, my friends. No one wants to be the friend of a weak person. Therefore, weakness is not an option in life. You must be physically strong, mentally strong, emotionally strong, financially strong. Weakness is not an option in any area of life. When you're strong, the world will be after you. If you're weak, you will be exploited. That is the way of the world. Vanani dahato agneya sakha bhavati marutah sa eva deepanashaya krishe kasyasti sauhridam. Who wants to be the friend of a weak person? Become strong, become strong, become strong.